Hello everyone, here I am meeting you all again in another dot mandala making video on a CD. Let's get started with dotting. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in orange. I'll keep some dots in red. I'll keep two side swipes in golden yellow. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll keep two side swipes in orange. I'll keep two more side swipes in red. I'll work the dots in yellow now. I think dot mandala on this CD came out really well. Thank you for watching.